Managing clients efficiently is essential for any business, and in this video, we'll be showing you exactly how to manage clients in Monday.com, one of the most popular project management tools out there. Stick around till the end, because we'll also highlight some other platforms that might actually be a better fit for client management and offer great free trials you won't want to miss. Let's jump right in. Monday.com is a powerful tool designed to streamline workflows and help teams stay organized, but managing clients effectively requires a little more than just setting up tasks. The first thing you'll want to do is create a custom workflow. This allows you to set up stages that match your specific client management process. For example, you can create columns like client inquiry, proposal sent, negotiation, and signed contract. This way, you can track each client through the sales pipeline, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Next thing, let's talk about automating repetitive tasks. Monday.com's automation features allow you to save time by setting up triggers. For instance, you can automate email reminders to clients or team members about meetings, deadlines, or follow-ups. You can also set up task assignments, so the right person is always responsible for the right job at the right time. The third thing you'll want to do is use the client dashboard. A clean and organized dashboard is key when managing clients. You can pull up all client data in one view, so you can easily see what's going on with each client. With Monday.com, you can create a personalized client dashboard that shows all relevant information like meeting notes, upcoming tasks, and deal stages, making it easy to track everything at once. Now, let's move on to collaboration. Monday.com offers a range of tools to collaborate with your team and clients. You can share boards with clients and give them access to specific information, such as project timelines and task status. This transparency is essential for keeping clients in the loop and building trust. However, some users find it a bit difficult to control what clients can view. If you want more granular control over client permissions, it might feel a little restrictive. The fifth thing, and this is something that really sets Monday.com apart, is its integrations. Monday.com can connect with a wide variety of other tools: Google Calendar, Slack, CRM systems, and even financial software. This is great for syncing everything you need to manage client interactions. But here's the catch: while it offers lots of integrations, some of them require premium plans, which might add up. The sixth thing to note is the client communication features. You can easily update clients by status changes or automated notifications. But unlike some competitors, Monday.com lacks built-in chat functionality for direct communication with clients. Some users might find themselves using Slack or email alongside Monday.com to handle client communications. Now that we've covered some core features of Monday.com, let's talk about a quick reality check. While it's a great tool for team management and client workflows, it's not always the most intuitive for people who are new to project management software. It can take time to set up and get everything just right, and sometimes that learning curve can be frustrating. But don't worry, there are alternatives that might work better for your client management needs. There are other tools out there that offer more user-friendly interfaces, more flexible communication features, and can sometimes offer more value for your specific goal of managing clients. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial to Monday.com, but I've also included some amazing alternatives that are better suited for managing clients, and yes, they also offer free trials. So be sure to check those out and see which one fits your business best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the best free trial options through our link below.